1984 GMC Sierra Classic. Got a nice 350 in it. They just got it all redone. Got long tube headers there and there. Then 2 1/4 into some FLOWMASTER Super 10s there and there. Part number 842515. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're 2 1/2s. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, out the back, into some Chevy bow ties on each side. There and there. As you guys can see, out the back. So make sure you guys tell us what you think of this build. I think it came out really beautiful, really clean. There'll be a link in the description for everything. They just had it painted too. So the paint shop is good friends of ours. They brought it to us, so we get it all done for them. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.
On the inside.
You guys can see it's still a work in progress, but it's getting along. They painted everything, so it's nice. This is what it sounds like on the inside. FLOWMASTER Super 10.